Hi everybody, it's Paschaline here. If you are new, and I told you guys I'll be consistent, right? I'm back at it. I'm back here. So name no. No, but I'm on my channel. I have to tata and here ga kuzi tata. Here ga kuzi tata names of insects in Igbo language. I'm a mega you'll be very, very happy to be here today so you can learn something new. Let's go. Today, Tata, we are learning Aniganamu. Names of incense in Igbo. Afa. Incense. No Igbo. So we have praying mantis. You know, praying mantis is Ngu Gologo. Ngu Gologo. Praying mantis in Igbo is called Ngu Gologo. We have butterfly. You know, beautiful butterfly. In Igbo language, we call it Urumboba. Urumboba. We have grasshopper. Grasshopper, we call it Opana. Opana. Grasshopper in Igbo land is called Opana. We have bedbug. You know, bedbug that itches you if your foam is dirty. It's called chinchi. So when somebody call you chinchi, just know the person is calling you bedbug. We have ants. Ants in Igbo language is called ndanda. So I remember one time that I know my younger sister ndanda baby very chico because she's always crying. She's always acting like an ant. So yeah, ants in Igbo language is called ndanda. Crickets in Igbo is called mbozo. Mbozo. And some people call it ugbo. Mbozo or ugbo. Firefly, you know those things that we always catch when we're very small that brings light. Firefly is called oku oku. Spider in Igbo land is called udidi. Then we have centipede in Igbo language is called obakurumoke. You know what is obakuru and you know what is moke. You know obakuru moke. Millipede in Igbo language is called obakurunwai. I remember growing up, when you see millipede or when you see centipede, people are going to tell you, oh, if it bites you, you're going to turn to a boy. Oh, if it bites you, you're going to turn to a girl. So yeah, in Igbo language, centipede is obakurunwoke, while millipede is called obakurunwai. Then we have almighty mosquito. Our DNA is actually a mosquito because they're always biting us. Mosquito in Igbo language is called anwunta. Anwunta is called mosquito in Igbo language is called anwunta. Then we have cockroach. Cockroach in Igbo language is called ochicha. Why? There are some people that call it ochichara. So cockroach in Igbo language is called ochicha. So whenever you see that thing called cockroach, ochicha, kill it. All right, everybody, I'm glad that we did this today, and I will be very, very happy if you learn like all these names of incense so that you know what is called in Igbo language. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. I appreciate all of you. So please make sure you keep watching, share, like, comment, and please tell me what next you want to see in my video. We need to build this family and teach people how to learn Igbo language, because come on, who doesn't want to learn Igbo? I love you guys. Thank you so much. Mwah.